Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to get grid paper on Procreate. First, open Procreate and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new canvas. You can choose from preset sizes or create a custom one. For precise grids, a square canvas like 2000 by 2000 pixels often works best, providing a balanced foundation for your design work. This initial setup is crucial for accurate grid placement. Next, we'll activate Procreate's built-in drawing guide. Tap the wrench icon in the top left corner to open the Actions menu. Then, select the Canvas tab. You'll see an option called Drawing Guide. Simply toggle it on. This feature is incredibly powerful, offering a variety of visual aids to help you maintain precision and consistency in your artwork, making your creative process much smoother. Before finalizing your complaint, take a moment to attach any relevant supporting documents. This could include photographs, videos, or even screenshots that provide evidence related to the incident. Once attachments are added, meticulously review all the information you've entered to ensure it is accurate and complete. After confirming everything, submit your complaint. You will typically receive a unique complaint or reference number, which is crucial for future follow-up. With your custom grid in place, you're ready to create with precision. The grid is perfect for aligning elements, creating symmetrical designs, and maintaining consistent spacing. You can even enable snapping in the Drawing Guide menu to automatically align your strokes to the grid lines, ensuring perfect shapes and lines. Once your detailed work is done, simply toggle the Drawing Guide off to view your masterpiece without the overlay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.